Mama always said life was like a Chinese guitar. You never know what you're going to get.
Hey everybody, what's going on? Hope you guys are doing good. I am doing just great. So right here we are with the Chinese copy of the Dean Dave Mustaine signature guitar, rest in peace, as you can tell by the artwork that's already on there. And if you can kind of notice that it's not black anymore around the sides and the back. Also, it's a little bit fogged in around the artwork, kind of hiding the edges of the artwork, so it has a nice transparency going into the blue. Now the color that I used on here is what's called Oriental Blue Candy. So this has got a little bit of a flake to it. You kind of see it. It also is transparent. So the more color you add on there, the more it starts to change as far as the color itself goes over to black, but not dark enough to where it hides the logos. The focus. But light enough to where the artwork doesn't get drowned in the color. So I've got 2 coats of clear on it right now. I'm probably going to finish this thing off tonight and get this thing set up to cure for a few days and start assembly on it soon. So yeah, that little chip is kind of still there. What I'm going to end up doing is flooding it with the clear coat a little bit, and that'll end up making that disappear. But I did fill it with black. So these areas here were kind of real shitty as far as the clear goes. Had to do some sanding on that without going through the artwork. So the original plan wasn't this. It was just going to be clearing it after doing the wet sanding. But I was like, you know what? When do I not customize something in some form or some way? I really like this color. It's coming out real nice. Now this is the same color that I used on the Mach 1 ESP LDT Phoenix Deluxe. Same blue. And it's working out really, really nice. Alright, so I have to let this cure up a little bit more before I go ahead and put some more coats of clear on this. It's coming out real nice. As you can kind of see, a little bit of orange peel going on it. I don't mind, as long as there's no runs, no sagging in it. So far everything is working out just as planned. It's already got a nice gloss to it. And it's working out just great. So I picked up a set of Seymour Duncan live wire Dave Mustaine signature pickups for next to nothing from a eBay seller, brand new. It's like kind of those let's make a deal thing, and I put my offer in. The guy took it. They are active. I think I said that. I'm not sure. So that's what's going into this. Now the bones of this is really good. You know, I don't know if the Chinese kind of upped their game a little bit as far as build quality goes. Finish quality and electronics are still crap, but the rest of it seems to be pretty decent. Even the fretwork on this is pretty nice. So the fretboard's all masked off. I kind of went over the edges. It's a little bit hard to mask off a fretboard when there's frets in it, It's a lot easier to do it when there is no frets in there. So you try not to get any clear or anything over into the edges. Binding looks really good. I end up scraping the binding. It's a lot nicer now at the body of the guitar than what it was when it was still stock looking. So yeah, I think this is going to come out really good. It's going to be a functioning, working guitar, just like everything else I do. Hopefully everything else that I've been doing. So yeah, I'm liking it a lot. And it's going to work out really nice. All right, you guys, take it easy. Have a good one. Just a little update on what's been going on and what I've been doing. Enjoying my weekend.